So basically now those were regarding preparations for the upcoming G20 thing, G20 summit that is going to happen in April. So one of the areas that is going to be developed is that Santome area. So the government has is going to undertake basically milling of the thing. All of the street lights will be replaced. We have pushed for redoing all of the footpaths and everything also, and relaying of new carpet and painting of all the houses. So the meeting that we had yesterday was basically a coordination meeting. So we wanted to know what all of those engineers and all the departments are planning. So they have briefed us on what the thing is, and then they have assured us that they will coordinate to get everything done in a speedy thing. So by 25th, they have told us that all of the work should be finished.
Now, when you talk about G20, any idea like how many meetings or what would be the?
No, see now, those have nothing to do with us. So now there's a protocol, the protocol secretary, Sanjay, the old commissioner, he is in charge of basically coordinating between all of the departments and everything also now. So those G20 meetings are separate meetings that do not involve us. So anything to do with the corporation, for example, the commissioner goes for the solid waste management part and basic thing. But apart from that, all of the other departments have been giving. So for example, Exterior department has been told to replace the poles. PW has given the milling and hot mixing work. And forest has been given beautification work. So like that, they have assigned different works to different departments.
So tomorrow, since you are the mayor, then what has been your instructions to them to get everything well set and know what it is?
See now, as of now, we have told them whatever they are doing to have it done at the earliest, because now it's causing a lot of inconvenience to people also now. So we have told them basically whenever they're doing the work also to make sure it is done properly, make sure it's done carefully, and to do it as fast as possible. So that is what they told us that they will be doing.
Any time frame you all gave?
25th. So they have assured us 25th of March everything should be done.
That is as far as G20 is concerned. Because earlier you had spoken that by March 15th, everything as far as the smart city thing work.
So now again, this was not planned also. There were certain delays with the smart city work and everything also. And now with all of this, they've been asked to stop the work. So that smart city will give a proper thing.
What smart city work will be stopped now?
Whatever is thing, they have been asked to at least cover up the work.
Just clarify on one thing is time and again everybody says what is the whatever smart city work comes, it comes on the CCP and all. Now just clarify on this because how is CCP connected with the smart city?
See, CCP is not connected with smart city at all. CCP is not undertaking a single project. Just because I'm the mayor, I'm on the board of the thing. But smart city also now is not an executing agency. Everyone thinks smart city is doing the work. That is not the case. What happens is smart city is basically a special vehicle now that is assigned all the funds. The funds from smart city are diverted to different agencies. Now, for example, the roads are being done by G-Suda. They are not being done by smart city. Smart city is just paying G-Suda. G-Suda is the one who has tendered all of the works and everything. Same with PWD and same with every other department. WRD is handling the Nala beautification and cleanliness. PWD is handling the sewage network, and G-Suda is handling the roads. So smart city is not executing any of the work at all.
And CCP has no role.
CCP has no role in any of this also. Just because I'm the mayor, everyone's putting the blame onto us and the MLA and everything. So we are doing the best that we can to manage everything. But we actually have no real powers when it comes to that.
No, but do they inform you all whenever they carry out some works? Because finally, people look at you all.
Yeah.
Your council, you as a mayor.
See, a lot of the times they present the plans, but what they present to us is not actually what happens on the ground. So if they say we are doing a particular stretch, they will end up breaking 2-3 other roads also at the same time also. So now just because of G20, we have to expedite all of the work. But once it is over and once work resumes again, we are going to be much stricter now when it comes to all of this. Even the safety record and everything now is terrible also. So even I believe that action should be taken against all of these.
Right now, you all have stopped the work of smart city, you said.
So we have not stopped the work. State government has
State government has stopped. So what about the cleaning of roads and everything?
So everything will be done by the 2010. They have all the government departments, I think, have been told by 25th.
25th.
Yeah.
What happens to your March 15 now, which you said earlier? Smart city work.
Yeah, so that will get pushed also now.
Pushed also. To March 25th.
Yeah, till the 25th, I think. So then whatever work is not completed, we'll have to stop and resume again later.
Okay.